Hello everyone, welcome to week 15 for BCOM 3113, spring 2019. This is the final week. This is not finals week, it's dead week technically, but final week of course content for this course. So we are 1 day away at this point of having to submit your final draft of your informal report assignment. So I know a lot of people have already submitted it, so I'm looking forward to jumping into those. But you still have some time to make whatever last minute changes. Been getting some emails, so I'll do my best to try to stay on top of those and go over drafts and answer any questions that you have up until the deadline as best I can. I just want to post this last final update and let you know that I appreciate you all very much this semester. I appreciate your patience. It's a very grading heavy course, and so sometimes we get behind, and really appreciate all of you in that regard. I really enjoyed working with you. Contacted several of you, you have contacted me many times throughout the semester. Several of you have, several of you haven't. It's just the nature of a large online course, obviously. But I just want for all of you out there that are watching this, and even those that aren't, just want you to know that if I can ever help you in any way, just let me know. That's what I'm here for. So I wish you all the best of luck. And feel free to reach out anytime. After you get your reports in tomorrow, Friday, May 3rd, give me, I'm hoping to at least have those grades posted by the end of finals week. That's my goal. I have to have grades in the following Wednesday anyway, so, but I'm hoping to have all that done for you guys. So if you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. And again, best of luck in the future.